Hi, I'm called Jan. I'm a long-distance trucker. I drive the world's longest truck route. That is the Dubai Road Express. But now things became a little more hairy. You see, nothing but trackless desert. Miles and miles of loose sand and sweltering heat.
Går det här bra? Här kommer jag fram? Greier jag komma over en sandhaugen? Du sitter ju och tänker sånn. Kjørte du da ensamt, og så du ble liggende der sjuk og fæl? Og i verste fall død, holdt jeg på å si. Men jeg kan berette hvem Jan var. Jeg kjente den litt innan han kjørte, ja.
Han må jo være en sånn type som liker utfordringer og liker å prøve nye ting og gjøre ting som ikke nødvendigvis har vært gjort før.
Jeg tror Jan gjorde det for eventyrlystens skyld, for å se hvordan det var. Og da samtidig som man visste at vi andre hadde kjørt ned der også, ned til Persia, det var i Bandarabas. Men han var jo på andre siden.
They were pioneers in their day. I take my hat off to them.
Jeg hadde gjerne reist inn til i dag også, ja. Det hadde jeg.
Moon in the night sky, how brightly she shines. Now all the world's asleep. But the leaves in the woodland, they whisper their rhymes. Now to the roots running so deep.
Constellation gets the serpent's constellation gets the
The trees in the coombe keep the stars in the sky, well hid from the stream. As the stones in its bed watch the water run by, I wonder who'll be in that dream.
Well, that's that. Now all I have to do is drive back home.
So quietly echoing the owl's cry, the valley hums her tune to the creaky old beach and the oaks lullaby as they wave gently to the bright moon.
When I came home, well, it was very exciting, you know.
Now all through the dark days and through the light, I'll be watching you, drawn by the candle that shines through the night, down the hall upon the creaky floor behind the wooden door of your bedroom.
The turning into that yard, that was a terrific feeling, you know, of achievement really, because it was, I mean, you know, it made it all worth it, you know, that feeling.